Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to the lecture. So, in this lecture, we will find how to find the, we will understand how to find the cutting length for this kind of stirrup. Okay. So, just concentrate here. So, again, we have one mastering, the one which is at the outside. We call that as a mastering. We'll find the cutting length for this. After that, we how to find the cutting length for this. This is one more bar. After that, you have to find the cutting length for this one. Okay. It's very simple. Whatever method I taught you earlier, no, that is a method you're supposed to follow. Only the thing is, the main intention, whenever you find such bar, whenever you find the cutting length, our main intention is to find the distance from center of this rebar to center of this rebar. The moment you get this center from this center to this center, what is the length? This center to this center, what is the length? This center to this center, what is the length? Your calculation is very simple from there onwards. But that finding this will take you some time. Okay, fine. So quickly, I'll tell you. This length is 900 mm, the length of your column. And let us say the breadth of your column is 300. Here, all the bar, the yellow color bar, whatever you can see, all are, let us consider 25 diameter bar, 25 dia bar. And the stirrup is made up of 8 mm. Okay, fine. So I'll do in front of you. You also take a paper and a pen and try to do it manually. We'll match our answers. First, I'll find the mastering. Okay. First, I'll start with this. Let me find the cutting length of this bar. Now, again, I'll not explain each and everything. I'll do on my own and I'll quickly do it. So 900 minus 40 minus 40 minus 8 I'm doing. I hope you understood what I'm trying to do. Okay. 900 minus 40 minus 900 minus 40 minus 40. Okay, I can even do this in. Okay, we'll do in this way only. 900 minus 40 minus 40 and minus 8. Okay, fine. So this is 812 mm and the other side it is 300 minus 40 minus 40 minus 8. So it is 212 mm. Finish. So the total cutting length will be master ring. I'll write master ring cutting length. Cut CL. Master ring cutting length will be how much? 2 into 812 plus 212, close the bracket, plus 24 into 8 into 8. So try to do this manually. You should get the cutting length of that. So 2 into 812 plus 212 plus 24 into 8. 2240, right? So 2240 is the answer what I should get. If you don't believe me, I'll directly put this there. 900 by 300. No, we'll put here. Yeah, see, already we have put 900 by 300 and it was an 8 diameter bar. See, 2240 we got. This was the master ring only. Same thing I got. No issues. So first calculation, whatever I've done manually in front of you is correct. Now, second. This is done. Now I'll go with the second bar. That is this one. I'll find the cutting length for this one. This portion. Okay, this bar. How you will find? Again, simple. Main intention will be to find the center to center. Okay, we'll start from here now. So again, 900 minus 40 minus 40 minus half stirrup diameter from minus 1 diameter of stirrup from here, minus 1 diameter of stirrup from here, minus 8 and minus the diameter of the bar is 25. So minus 25 by 2 minus 25 by 2, 12.5 is 25. So I'll directly write 25. So try to do this. 900 minus 40 minus 40 minus 8 and minus 25. So this is 779 mm. Good. So what is this 779 mm now? Whatever I answer, I got 779. It is nothing but the distance from this center to this center. That is center of this rebar to the center of this rebar. This is 779. Now I want to find the distance from center of each rebar, right? I want to find the distance from center of this rebar to the center of this rebar. How you will find? So you know what is the spacing? 1 and 2 bar. In between this 2 bar, there is one spacing. One spacing. If you want, let me write that. Okay. This is one. Okay. We'll not write. I'll just tick it. So one spacing, two spacing, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So what I'll do, whatever answer I got now, I'll divide it by 6. 779, you divide it by 6. Okay. Fine. So this I'll divide by 6. So now whatever answer I got, it is 129.83. 129.83. So now I got that this distance, center to center distance between the each rebar is 129.8. Finish. Your calculation is ready now. You got the center to center distance. After that, your calculation is very simple. Now, I'll strike out everything. I'll delete everything now. Yeah. Okay. What I need to find now? I need to find the distance from this point to this point. This point. What you will find? You will find how many bars you have to go. This is one spacing, two spacing, three spacing, four spacing. So what I'll do? I'll just multiply this 129.83 into 4 I'll do. 4 times if I go, I'll reach from this outer to this outer. I'll reach from this center to this center. Plus, whatever is the diameter of the bar, that I'll add one time. Okay. So, whatever answer you got here, let me do that. 129.83 into 4. 129.83 into 4 I'm getting. So this is 519.32 plus diameter of the rebar, one diameter. So that means 25 is what we have taken, plus 25 you do it. Finish. You should get 544.32. Finish. 544.32 mm. That is the answer you got. Finish. The cutting length is ready. So this is the cutting length what we got. So okay, if you want, I'll delete it. So this cutting length from here to here, this length is 544.32. This is 544. This is also 544. And this is obviously this length and this length remains the same, which we already found, which is how much? 212. This is also 212. So this is, add everything. Hook length, you know, it is 24 into diameter of the bar. Try to do that. You'll get the cutting length. I'll do it now. So 2 into 544.32 plus this portion is 212, right? Close the bracket, plus 24 into 8. So this should be 2 into 544.32 plus 212 and plus 24 into 8. So this is 1704.64. So this is a cutting length of my second ring. So this is a manual calculation answer what I have got. You also should get the same thing. If you don't believe here, what we'll do, we'll go here and we'll input that. So what is the input I'm supposed to do? I'll tell you. How you'll do the input? Yeah. So this I'll put 25. See, 779 I got. 779 I got here. Okay, fine. And spacing I should make 6 because I have divided it by 6 now. This I'll make 6 now. Okay, say 129.83 I got 129.83. And after that, this will be 4. Finish. What is the answer I got manually? Tell me. I got how much? 1704.64. You see what is the answer I got? 1704.67. That means whatever manually I did, same thing the Excel is giving. That means my calculation is correct. Finish? Good. So now most of the things I've covered. All things I've covered. Next, what I'll do? Next, I'll go with the last string which I have. Okay. I'll go with the last string. This ring I want to find. Which is that? This one. Again, here your calculation remains simple. You don't have to worry now. You want to find this ring, no? You want to find this length, no? You already know center to center, this center to this center, you already know how much it is. It is how much? 129.83. So this is 129.83 one time, 129.83 two times. What you just do? 129.83 into 2 you have to do. Multiplied by 2. So you'll come to the center of this to the center of this you'll reach, plus one diameter, half from this side, half from this side, which is one diameter, and the diameter is how much? So multiply and tell me how much you'll get. 129.83 into 2, 259.66 I'm getting, and 259.66 plus one diameter is how much? 20. So 25, sorry, 25 plus 25 you do. Finish. 284 284.66 mm. Finish. Your answer is ready. So this length you got. So once you get this length, yeah, this length we got now. So this length is how much? 284. This also will be 284. This also will be 284. Okay. And this already we know it is 212. This is also 212. Hook length will add 24 into diameter of the bar. We'll get the cutting length of this bar also. Try to do it. So the formula will be 2 into 259.66 plus 212. It's 212, no? 300 minus, yeah, 212 plus 24 into diameter of the bar. So diameter of the bar is 8. Do it. So 2 into 259.66 plus 212 plus 24 into 8. 1135.32 mm. So this is a cutting length for this. So if you don't believe here, again on the Excel sheet also we can get the same answer. So spacing will be 2 times. So you come here. This you multiply by 2 times. Finish. You should get the same answer. Yeah. Somewhere there is a mistake. 284. Yeah, this is correct. Okay. Cutting length. What mistake we have done? Cutting length. Correct, no? Yeah. I think we should get the same answer. It's not happening. Okay. Here the mistake will be this one. This portion will not be, I'll do it separately. Okay. Here that mistake will happen. Anyhow, what is the mistake in this cutting length? No, it is in this case, it is taking this cutting length. Okay. That should not happen. So here the cutting length answer will be, I'll do it here separately. Plus, okay. 2 into bracket open. So this 259 it has to consider. 259. Where is that? 259. Okay. It won't consider that. No. No problem. I'll do it manually only. Okay, it has to take wait, 284 it's coming. From where it is getting 284? Right, 25 it is. So that means our manual calculation we have done it wrong. No? So 129 it is coming. Yeah, 284, correct. Sorry, 284 we are getting, no? See, one mistake we did. What is the mistake, you know? This is not 259 exactly. This should be how much? 259 was this one. After adding the 25 diameter, this itself is my cutting length. No, it has to be 284.66. Now it is correct. Good. 284.66. Now it should be correct. Sorry, I'll change my answer now. 284.66 plus 212 plus 24 into 8. So 1185 exactly. So this answer is 1185.32. Now it is correct. Now you check with the Excel sheet. Exactly. See, 1185.33. I got same thing. Got it? So we have both the way. Manually we'll try to do. And this Excel sheet already I've kept it ready. You can verify your answers. Good. So only the thing is in the Excel sheet, you just have to change this distance to find for stirrup. And this spacing, if you change, no, your answer is ready. Okay. Try to create this kind of Excel sheets and keep so that it is easy for all the calculation. After this, whatever leg stirrup you get, no, you can easily do. Now again, this is understood. So if you get in future such kind of problem, you can do it. No, good. Now I'll take you to some interesting stirrups. Come, check here. So tomorrow you may get a stirrup something like this, and they may ask you to find the cutting length. How you will do? It's very simple. There's no complications in this. One is your mastering, where the formula remains very simple. This will be your mastering, and you can easily find this. How you'll find? Quickly tell me. 7500 minus 40 minus 40 minus the diameter of the stirrup, you will get this length. And 200 minus 40 minus 40 minus 8, if you do, you will get this length. And then you add the formula plus 24 into 2, you'll get the answer. You want me to give the answer? Okay, 750 and 200. I'll directly come and put here. Finish. Your answer is ready. Length is 750. This side it is 200 and diameter is 8. Finish. Your cutting length should be 1740. If you don't believe me, we'll do it manually. Your cutting length should be 1740. Let me quickly do it manually. 750. Okay, I'll do it here. 750 minus 40 minus 40 minus 8. So 662. 200 minus 40 minus 40 minus 8. 112. Your answer should be 2 into 662 plus 112 plus 24 into 8. Yeah, 1740 I'm getting. 1740. Manually I got. My Excel sheet has already given me the answer. 1740. Done. Your mastering calculation is done. Now you can do any problem in this world. If anyone gives you anything, you can do. Next, I want you to find the cutting length for this. I want you to find the cutting length for this. If you find this one, no, this remains the same. You don't have to do for again because both are spaced at equal. So quickly tell me how you will find. Hmm? Fine. I'll do it here only. Okay. Tell me how you are going to find the cutting length. Quickly we'll do. Manually first we'll do. We'll verify with the Excel answers. The first what I'll do, 750 minus 40 from the left side, minus 40 from the right side, minus the diameter of the stirrup. This stirrup diameter I'll remove from here, minus this stirrup diameter also I'll remove, minus diameter I don't know, but it is mentioned this dark color indicates it is a 16 diameter bar. And the one which is something like this, it indicates this one, this one, this one, this one is 12 diameter. The dark one indicates it's a 16 diameter. So minus 16 from the left side, that is, sorry, yeah, minus 16 I'll do. Or I can do minus 16 by 2, half, minus 16. From here, half I'll take 16 by 2. From here, 16 by 2 I'll do. 16 by 2 is 8, 8 plus 8 is 16. So directly you deduct one rebar, the diameter is 16. So tell me what is the answer you're getting here? 750 minus 40 minus 40 minus 8 minus 8 minus 16. So 638 mm. So this is the distance from the center to the center. But I want from center of each rebar, no? So what is the spacing you have now? How many spacing you have? So I'll count that spacing now. 1. Okay. 1 spacing between this two bar 1, between this two bar 2, between this bar 3, between this bar 4, between this bar is 5. You can do, or also you count the number of rebar and minus 1 you do. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 minus 1 you do, 5 you'll get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can adopt any method. So what I'll do now? 638 divided by 5. Divided by 5. 127.6 I got. Finished. My answer is ready now. So this center to center distance I got. This is the main catch in the BBS. So this already I got. Now your calculation remains very simple. Take it out. So now from the calculation I have found that the distance from this rebar to distance of this rebar, it is 127.6. Finished, no? Your answer is ready. So this already we got 127. Half diameter of this, half diameter of this, if I add, I'll get the total length. Finish. But here you need to be careful. The reason is that this dark color is your 16 diameter bar. And the one which is not colored or which is not shaded is a 12 diameter bar. So now what you will do? Very good. Now what you will do? I'll write here. 127.6 plus this diameter is how much? 16. So 16 by 2 I need to do. Getting now half I need to add. No, 16 by 2 is 8 plus. What is that? What about this bar? This bar. This bar is your 12 diameter. So 12 by 2, 6. Okay. Previous case, what we used to do, both the bar were of same diameter. So if it is 20, I used to add plus 20. If it was 25, I used to add 25. But here also you need to do the same thing. But the problem is both the diameter are different. So half of this diameter, this is 16. Half of 16 is 8 I've added. This is 12. Half of 12 is 6 I've added. Even if you take 8 also, it doesn't matter. Slight 2 mm variation will come. And on the side, it is very negligible. But when we are doing, we'll make it more proper. That is why I made it in a more better way. Okay. Plus 8 plus 6. Finish. Your answer is ready. 141.6. Your cutting length is ready. Okay. This is 141 we got. Now, if you ask me what is the distance from here to here, if you ask me what is the distance, so this distance is 141.6. This is also 141.6. And this we will find. This is how much? This we will find. This is very simple. 200 minus 40 minus 40 minus 8. So this is 112. This is also 112. And this is 24 into 2. D. Okay. Try to do it. Tell me what is the answer. So it will be 2 into bracket open 141.6 plus this is 112, this portion, close the bracket, plus 24 into the diameter is 8 mm. Do and tell me what is the answer you are getting, and same we'll do in the Excel sheet. I'm getting 699.2 mm. Finish. This is my answer. This is my total cutting length. And I'll go back to the Excel sheet now. I should get the same answer. How I will do this? Yeah, I think I should. Yeah. Okay. This we got. Okay, spacing how much? It is 5, no? This should have been 5 and this should be 1. I think answer should be ready. And diameter, okay. Here small changes will happen because see the main bar we took 25. So in the calculation, this guy will take directly 25, whereas small variation will happen, no? But you see the answer is matching 699 and 717. But still, if you want, I'll change those things. What is the changes I'm supposed to do, 2 into this is correct, this is correct. Here I need to change. Distance from center to center, we should get 127. Here I'm getting 150. The reason is this one. The reason is I need to add 8 and I need to add 6. Yeah, 139.80. What we used to get? We got 141. Okay. 139 is correct, no? Let me verify that sometime. Because Excel sheet should be made properly. Okay. No, we should get 127. 1 plus 8, we should get 141 plus 141.6. Here I'm getting 139. And bar distance we are getting how much, Yeah, 125 we are getting. We should actually get how much? We should actually get 127.6. So this is fine, no? So this is 638 mm. So this is 638. 638 I'm not getting. Small changes is happening. Okay. Okay. So bar diameter was how much? Yeah. Now we'll do that. This is a 16 diameter bar, no? Yeah. Good. See, done. 699.2. You see the answer? 699.2. This was 141. You see in the this is 141. This also is 141. 141, 141. 127, 127. Got it? And spacing 5 times I divided by 5. This is 5. 638, 638. Got it, no? Cutting length 699. I got the answer 699. So in the Excel sheet, small changes you have to do. If you're doing the Excel sheet, what you do, no? You write main bar outside and main bar inside. This you do. If you want to be more, if you want exact answer, because here small changes I'm doing, no? See here, this changes I did on my own. I wrote 8 plus 6. The reason is we had two different diameter of the main bar. But here, since I gave only main bar, what you can do, you prepare an Excel sheet where you add one more column and here you write outside main bar. Outside main bar. And next column you write inside main bar. Inside main bar. And then if you do it, no, outside means this outside, okay? This outside. And inside means the inside part. And then if you connect everything, like here I'll connect with this one. I'll connect with this one. And okay, in that way, if I do, I'll get the right answer. Okay, you can do that. So that is a specialty of doing the Excel sheets on your own. So try to do it. If anywhere you go wrong, not able to do, get back to me. I'll explain you how it has to be done. Okay, but right now, let me keep my Excel sheet something like this. It is okay for me, not an issue. I can manage because I know, because Excel sheet is done by me, no? I know where the way changes has to done. If I give the same Excel sheet to you, no, you can now you can never find the mistakes. The reason is you are not the creator. I am the creator of the Excel sheet. So always create your own Excel sheet. And if any changes has to be done, you know from where the changes should be done. Now I know where the changes should be done. So I can do it on my own. Okay, great. So that's it. I hope you have enjoyed my lecture up to here. And I think after this, you'll be not having any problem to do any BBS. Okay. Other than that, there is one more problem here. See, this is also a 6-leg stirrup. So here also it is a 6-leg stirrup. How it is shown? This is your first bar. Okay. Second is this one. After that, the third one is this one. Fine. So you have to find the cutting length of all the 3 bars. The concept remains the same. There's no changes. Try to do on your own. Try to find the cutting length for this. So in the next lecture, I'll take few other complicated 8-leg, 10-leg, 12-leg and all, and we'll finish it off. So we'll see you back in the next lecture. Thank you.